Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to another one of my videos. On today's video, we've done a lot of sketching where we show how to control the horizon line and how to put the sky and the ground reflection. But today's video, I'm going to teach you how you determine at what height are you going to put that horizon line and how you're going to split your car between ground reflections and sky reflections. So check it out. So for today's video, I'm gonna try something that I try most of the time, which would be the drawing example, the real life example with the acrylic that I can bend, and then I show you the reflections of the car. I'll see you after this. Also, I can't wait to show you what I got for my birthday. It's something that I can use for my videos. It's super cool, and I think you guys will appreciate it. So wait until the end and I'll show it to you. Okay, so here we are. It's a lot of wind, hopefully you can hear me. Okay, so we're gonna use this trick again where I have this acrylic that I painted. So it's a flat surface that I can actually manipulate to try to control that horizon line and show you what I'm teaching you. So if I lay it flat, you should see the horizon towards the middle, depending if I lean forward some, but if I have it perfectly flat, you should see the horizon on the background, the sky and the ground. Then as I start to turn it, like if I try to make a good arch, then the horizon should be towards the middle and you get the sky and the reflection of the ground, right? Now if I bend higher on the upper part, you should see that horizon rise and have like a lot of ground reflection on the bottom and then a little bit of sky. And the same will happen if I go the other way around. If I actually put the arch towards the bottom, you'll see your horizon line lower and then you'll see your sky get higher. This is on the middle, this sends it to the top, this should send it to the bottom. And that's how you control that horizon, by controlling the surface by having it arch, high arch or low arch, and that's how you can control it on your sketches and your drawings. By moving your horizon up and down, you can describe the curvature on the surface that you're sketching. here behind me, the Porsche 718 Camus, and I'm gonna use it to show you the reflections and the curvature. This one is more like I mentioned on the video. Most cars will have like a top curvature towards a bottom curvature, will make it look like it hasn't worked out and it's like fat on the bottom. If you make it where the tension is high up top, it's like you have like strength and muscle. There's some shoulders in there. So let me show you those reflections on this car and you'll see how it tends to go towards the top. You guys ready to see what I got for my birthday? So for those who stick till the end, you get to see it, and here it is. Ta-da! What can I say except happy birthday to me, and thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll keep posting videos as much as I can. Have a great day.